Cindy. Welcome to Soup the Recipes. Today, we're making the most popular Chinese cauliflower recipe, Ganguo Hua Cai. It's easy and delicious. It involves a special cooking method that imparts this dish with its iconic smoky taste. Once you learned, you will love it and apply it to other vegetables as well. I found this baby cauliflower in Trader Joe's today, and I could not contain my excitement because this variant is the exact type that we use in this dish in China. It's not really the young version of the regular cauliflower. Rather, it's an Asian variant called Songhua Cai. Its florets is not as tight and dense. The stems are long and narrow. Yes, it is totally fine to use regular cauliflower, and they don't really make a big difference in taste. But being away from China for years and seeing this variant in a Western supermarket surprised me pleasantly. Here is 5 ounces of skinless pork belly. Mine comes with the skin, so let's remove it. Slice the meat into 1/8 of an inch thick pieces. Pork belly will provide some fat, which will introduce a nice richness to this dish. Set it aside. Besides that, you will also need 4 cloves of garlic. I sliced thinly. 4 Thai bird-eye chilies. I sliced it diagonally. 1 green chili to give the dish a vivid color, and 1 dried red chilies. Remove the seeds and cut it into short pieces. Using different kinds of spicy ingredients makes the flavor more complex. I want to show you a special method to pre-cook the cauliflower. A lot of people like to blanch it before stir-frying, which not only makes the vegetable plain, but also you will introduce too much water into the dish and ruin the taste. Instead, we're going to add a drizzle of vegetable oil, just a little bit, and stir to coat the cauliflower. Turn the heat to medium and add the cauliflower to the wok. Spread it out and let it toast for a little bit. Give it a toss and continue to toast for 3 to 4 minutes or until slightly charred. The dish's name, Ganguo, means dried pot, referring to this smoky and concentrated flavor, which makes the cauliflower taste so much better than blanched. Take it out and set it aside. Turn the heat to medium-low and add the pork belly. Stir for a few minutes. You can also use bacon, but you have to adjust the seasoning amount in this recipe because bacon is salty already. When you render about 2 tablespoons of pork fat, add the garlic slices, diced Thai bird-eye chilies, green chili, dried red chili, and Sichuan doubanjiang. Stir over low heat for a minute to activate the umami taste of the Sichuan doubanjiang. Introduce the cauliflower back into the wok and stir well. Season it with soy sauce and oyster sauce. Mix thoroughly. Before serving, I like to sprinkle some Sichuan peppercorn powder, which gives the dish a unique aroma and numbing effect. Give it a final toss and you're done. Oh, I love this cauliflower dish. It's crispy, spicy, savory, and delicious. Me alone can finish the whole plate. I hope you give this a try soon. As always, the printable recipe link is in the description. Go check it out. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more easy and authentic Chinese food. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!